Greetings everyone, you're welcome back to African Dishes with Blessing, and today we are making jollof rice, Nigerian delicious jollof rice with chicken. Please subscribe to our channel. For the ingredients, we have 3 cups of rice, we have chicken, you can use beef as well, we have fresh tomatoes and onions, we have red bell pepper, we have tin tomatoes, we have Cameroon pepper, we have ginger and garlic, fresh one. We have all kinds of spice, sachet spice. We have powdered crayfish. We have vegetable oil. For garnishing, we have carrots and green pepper. Let's begin by steaming the chicken. Add your onions, ginger and garlic, curry powder, thyme, seasoning cubes and salt. Let's cover up to heat for a few minutes before adding water. Cook for at least 30 minutes and your chicken is ready. You need to fry them if you wish to. I fry mine with vegetable oil. After frying your chicken, you keep aside. Time to boil the fresh tomato and red bell pepper together. Let's steam them together before blending. Steam them together for a few minutes before blending. Your fresh blended tomato is ready. Let's fry the tomatoes in oil. First, you need to add some onions, fry for a few seconds before adding the fresh tomatoes. Then add your tomato paste and mix together. Mix together to your desired texture. Let's parboil our rice. Parboil and wash your rice. Wash off the starch thoroughly and keep aside. Then let's get back to the meat stock. This is the meat stock. Add it in a separate pot. Add all your spices, pepper, grinded crayfish, your seasoning cubes and salt, all together into the meat stock. You can add water if necessary. Allow to heat for a few minutes before adding your fried tomato into the meat stock. Add your fried tomato into the meat stock. Allow to boil for a few minutes before adding your parboiled rice. Time to mix your parboiled rice into the mixture. Cover up to steam for a few minutes. Once the rice is done, you finally garnish the rice with vegetables. If you need to garnish it with vegetables, you don't need to let all the water dry up. I love it porridge. And guys, our jollof rice is ready. Delicious, mouth-watering jollof rice is ready. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to enable you get notification whenever we make a post. Thank you guys. Bye.